yesterday I spent over £100 on baking ingredients. So come with me through my week and see what I bought £100 of baking ingredients for and what I get up to using all of the ingredients. So let's go. First I'm going to the gym. I'm back from the gym. Breakfast is in the air fryer. It literally looks so bad, but I promise you it actually tastes so good. It's just because I was making sure it was fully cooked. Look at that. Baked oats. It's so nice. Let me get a bit and I'll show you. Oh, it doesn't even look very appealing, but I promise you it is so good. I have finished my breakfast. I had a shower. I just want to say, I know I speak to you guys a lot about my job and how much pressure it can put me under sometimes with all of the jobs I do, because I do quite a lot and I've spoken a lot about it. I have lots of stuff going on this week, which I'm going to tell you in a second. But before I do, I just wanted to know what jobs you all do and if you get put under pressure whilst doing your jobs, and comment down below if you do, because I would love to know and read through the comments and see what you guys do and if you get put under pressure, just to see if you relate to me, because like I said, I get put under a lot of pressure with all my jobs, having so many, and always like making sure the cake's done on time or making sure I'm getting enough content for you guys, all stuff like that. So now let's talk about what I'm actually going to be doing. Today is the start of where I get busier for the rest of the week, like even busier with Mother's Day bits. So today I'm going to be filming some content for my Instagram of all Mother's Day baking. And then I also have my baking workshop at the after school club, so I'm going to be going to that. On Sunday, I'm doing a Mother's Day stall where I'll be selling lots of my bakes. So Thursday and Friday will be spent prepping for the Mother's Day stall and doing the cakes that I have, the 2 orders that I have. So I've got lots to do, but I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. So let's go. I'm going to start getting ready now so I can film some content. I am all ready now. I just put on this pink Zara vest top and then my grey jeans. And I am going to be filming some cookies with chocolate roses in the middle of them, or on top of them. Then I'm also going to be filming some cupcake flower designs, so kind of basing it around flowers for Mother's Day, which I just think will look so cute. Hello everyone, good evening. It is 3 minutes to 10. Finished prepping and I went to work. Came back from work, probably chilled out about an hour. I was honestly shattered. And then we went out for dinner. We went to Brooke's work while she was working, and we went with Rosie and her family. We've literally just got back. And I'm so tired. I don't know what is in the air. I'm so tired today. I'm going to go to bed now. Obviously, I'll be going to the gym in the morning. So I'll see you tomorrow for another busy day, and I promise I'll try and film more tomorrow. I was just rushing today because I started a bit later than I was meant to. Hello everyone, it is Thursday today. It is 10 o'clock. I'm wearing this, which I haven't worn since last summer, and I know the colours are slightly dysfunctioned, but I promise it is both from the same place. Today I need to edit a video that I made yesterday, and I need to make the cookies, buttercream and measure ingredients for the brownies, and then tonight I'm actually going back out to dinner at the same place that I went last night, to the pub, and we are going, me, Brooke and our boyfriends are going for like a pizza night. We need to make sure that I'm all done before we go, because I think it's quite early that we need to go. I think we need to go at like 5:30. Hello everyone, it is now actually 1 o'clock and I have done, I will show you what I have been up to. I have made all the normal chocolate chip cookies, which are going to have white chocolate, pink flowers in the middle, And then I have done the Biscoff ones. I'm just about to weigh all of the Oreo ones out. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday today and I have just come back from the gym. I know I didn't film a lot yesterday, but I promised I'm going to film more today. I am really happy because I have just finished my last gym session of 75 medium. Obviously, I'm going to carry on going to gym every day, but during my 75 medium, I have just finished, as this is actually my last day. It's a bit annoying because I can't properly celebrate today because I'm just going to be baking the whole day. Honestly, when I think about it, I actually have a lot to do. And hopefully I can get it all done. Make sure you stay tuned to see if I can get it all done. And I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. I'm now going to go and get ready and shower. I am just about to have lunch. I'm going to eat it in a second. But this is what I've got. Some rice and then salmon, carrots and cucumber and a tiny bit of mayo on top. It wasn't squeezing out very well, so it looks so bad there. 2 brownies are baked, 1 set of cookies are done, cupcake mix is made. I need to put it in the oven. Both of the cakes have been crumb coated. It is 1:15, so I've still got a long way to go. So I've got to do 2 more lots of brownies, 2 more lots of the cookies, decorating the cupcakes once they're done and decorating the cakes, so long way to go. It's time to decorate the cookies. So here are the Biscoff cookies and I've just got some Biscoff spread. All I do is just spread it over the whole cookie like that, and then I've got some crushed up Biscoff biscuits here and I'm just going to sprinkle these all over. There we go, look how good they look. Obviously today is the last day of 75 medium and I've been telling Kai about these Marks & Spencer's cookies for ages, that I really wanted them, like I've been craving them. He brought me around these when he came round and some flowers. Look how lovely they are. I need 3 more things and then I'm done. It is 6:20 though. Maybe I reckon I'll be done by 9, hopefully. Obviously I'll have some dinner in between that as well. But I thought I would just show you guys what he got me. Hello everyone, we are finished for the night. It is 9:50. I still have 1 cake to finish off tomorrow, but I'm going to do it in the morning because I'm literally so tired. I do not have the headspace to do it, but I have done majority of it, so that's all good. I'm going to quickly run you through what I've actually managed to accomplish today because I have done so much and I'm so tired and I now can't wait to go to bed. Big thank you to Kai for clearing up, helping me clear up with it at the end, wiping up all the sides. All of the Oreo ones are now done. What have we got in here? Biscoff ones in here, Oreo and Biscoff ones here, Biscoff and the chocolate chip flowers in there, more of the chocolate chip flowers, all the cupcakes which I never showed you guys. Look at them. First lot of brownies, more of the chocolate chip flower ones, and these ones which are so cute, which I've finished off. I haven't shown you guys, which say mum on. And then we have the rest of the cupcakes here. Be careful with them ones, Kai. We've got the roses and then more hydrangeas there. That is everything that I've done. Also, I forgot to show the cakes as well. Let's go have a look at the cakes. I actually don't know how I've managed to pull it off. I started at 11 o'clock, 10:30, 11 this morning, and I'm finishing at 10 to 10, so it's just under 12 hours. This is the first one. It's like a lilac and cream with a wave, and then this is the second one, which needs to be finished off in the morning. As you guys saw, that was my Mother's Day stall, and It was so fun to do and everyone was so lovely and I enjoyed every minute of it, and loads of stuff sold and everyone loved everything that they bought, so I was very happy about it. But that means that it is the end of the video, so if you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye!